episode 5. We're still here. Yay! Now, we have Maz-Up, we have the prize hunt, we have more giveaways, we have spring sale, and we have an upcoming service.
Ooh, sounds exciting.
Yes.
And for Tech Today,
We have the DEA and your passwords. Oof. We have Apple Arcade, and we have DVD and Blu-ray sales.
good job. All right, and now for In My Shoes, I have why you should buy a Fitbit.
Ooh, yes.
Interesting. And for What's in the Box, we have...
The S10 5G. I'm
exciting.
already not. We'll talk about that. We will. We will talk about why I'm not. But let's move on. What else do we have?
We have What's on Your Mind. And we
Oh.
have a question for you
Yes,
guys.
a question for you guys this time. And then
Buy or burn is when we run down everything and say if we want to buy them or burn them. And of course, we have Funny Finds.
some good laughs for you.
So let's get on with the episode.
All right. First topic is Maz-Up. And we're giving away another phone, an iPhone 7 Plus on our Facebook prize hunt. And all you have to do is find all the Maz-Head icons.
Not that difficult.
And to join, just click the link in the description.
We have an ongoing iPad Air 2 giveaway. If you guys want to join that giveaway too, we also have a link in the description.
In a perfect world, we can stay connected to a global Wi-Fi provider with unlimited data.
Well, that perfect world is now within your reach.
We have a brand new service called Mazuma Wi-Fi.
Check this intro video out. Want to stay connected anywhere around the world? First, go to our website and click the Got a Voucher tab. Next, register your 12-pin voucher and enter your details. Once you receive your confirmation email, download the Mazuma Wi-Fi app, which you can now use for connecting the 64+ million Wi-Fi hotspots globally. Enjoy!
For more info on Mazuma Wi-Fi, head to the website through the link in the description.
Don't forget, we have an ongoing giveaway here on Maz TV where you can win an Apple Watch. Just answer the question that will pop up within the episode in the comments below, so keep your eyes peeled for that one.
And we've got the Mazuma Spring Sale where you can get huge discounts on iPhones and Samsungs alike. Alright, so for Tech Today, the first topic is the DEA asking LastPass for people's passwords. Well, first of all, what is LastPass? LastPass is a password manager where it securely stores all of your passwords and login details for whatever website you're browsing. And the thing is, they asked for it, but they didn't get it. They only got basic data about the user. The reason being is that the passwords and everything is encrypted on the person's stuff. My cell phone or whoever has the account is the only one that can decrypt the passwords. LastPass, where the servers hold the passwords, they can't access the passwords because they're securing your passwords and they're doing their job. Well, I mean, it's free, you can upgrade to premium, but I myself actually have an account with LastPass, just free because it works. I don't have to remember my passwords and it allows me to change my passwords as ever often as I need them, and I highly encourage you to look into any password manager, whether it is LastPass or one of these other ones, because it is just more security for your online protection, and I cannot recommend that enough. And next is Apple paying supposedly $500 million for Apple Arcade to support small studios. That is an investment. That is as much as it costs to make Grand Theft Auto 5 alone. But now they've invested it in hundreds of different studios. And while I don't care for exclusivities myself, I am looking forward to seeing how long Apple is going to be committed to continuing to support the developers to up their Apple Arcade. Competition is good. And lastly, DVD sales and Blu-ray sales have halved in the last 5 years.
Only half? They still make those?
I wish Blu-rays weren't so expensive. I love Blu-rays. Blu-rays are amazingly beautiful quality. I have some, but I understand why they aren't selling. I mean, I don't remember the last time I bought a Blu-ray. But I mean, at least we have streaming, like Netflix and everything. But internet, you know, stability issues, you can always rely on a DVD. You can always rely on a Blu-ray. You can't always rely on your internet. And it seems like it's one of those things that's just slowly dying and there's no coming back from it.
Unless you scratch it up.
Yeah, but don't do that. Take care of your things.
Now we're on In My Shoes, and I want to talk about a Fitbit and reasons why you should get yourself a Fitbit. Number one reason is that you get to track your health, your heart rate, your steps, and you know, for me personally, if I could see that I've only did X amount of steps in a day, it motivates me to do more, especially if you've set a goal for yourself. Another great thing about a Fitbit is that it brings out the competitiveness in you. Because your friends and family who has Fitbit, you guys get to see each other's progress. So if you're the type of person that wants to do better than others, well then here you go. It'll definitely motivate you to do that as well.
Are you that type of person?
I wish I was that type of person. Another great thing about a Fitbit is that you can watch other people, like I said, but when it comes to older family members or friends who are sick, you get to see how they're doing. You get to know if their heart rate's doing fine, or if an older relative has one, you could always check on their health as well. So that's another plus to a Fitbit. And another plus to the Fitbit is the amazing customer service. I read some things online that people are actually losing some of their Fitbits and they replace them for you. So I think that's a great thing.
I always love a good customer service company.
Of course.
All right, so what's in the box? And today we have the S10. Just kidding. We have the S10 Plus.
I was gonna say.
Or the S10 Plus.
Nice
5G.
Okay, let's open this. I'm excited.
All right, we have the S10 5G.
Okay, let's talk about what's inside the box first. Now we have the
Supercharge, yeah.
The adapter, same thing as they have inside the S10 that was here earlier.
Yeah.
Just the wire charger as well, and same AKG.
But in
earphones.
black.
Oh, what was
the other ones were in white.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so these are in black, little variety color. You have your pin tool and you have a screen protector in here. And that's the same as you get in the S10.
Yeah, pretty much the same, I'd say.
Now this is the 512 gig model. It's got similar specs to the S10 Plus.
I heard about the camera. Please tell me about the camera. I haven't seen this yet.
If we want to go with the camera, as always with these phones, the S10 series
is this the one with the crazy megapixels? 12, yeah, 16 and 12 again.
Carla. Oh my god.
That does not sound good.
First of all, look at all those pores.
Guys, look. You can see how oily my face is. You could fry an egg on that.
I'm so sorry for you.
Oh, here's another thing, guys. It takes a clean lens, blah, blah, blah. So it's kind of picky with the lens thing.
Blah, blah, blah.
Just because it said, like, clean the lens.
Did it really give you a notification?
Yeah, it gave me a notification that I should clean the lens.
Okay. Beautiful photo.
Look at those pores, guys.
Did you just take the photo because you wanted to show my pores?
No, you know what? You know what's great? His pores aren't clogged.
Oh, thanks. Okay, like I said, the camera, the specs, everything else is great about this phone. It's comparable to the S10 Plus. This is a 512 gig model. This is a ridiculously amazing phone.
512?
Yes.
What?
That's why there's no expandable storage. Oh no, they covered it. It's fine though. And it still has the 3.5mm jack. Still kicking strong. But to what I don't like about it, there's only one thing I don't like about it. It's bragging about being 5G. The problem is 5G is not readily available to anyone.
Right,
There's
I can see why you're mad.
There's a few small select cities that have it. South Korea is starting to roll it out, which is great. The problem is South Korea already has issues. I mean, this happens with any new technology. When it first comes out, there's going to be a lot of hiccups. When this phone was launched in Korea, when it was in a 5G area, great, worked no problem. When it transferred to an LTE or something other than 5G, The phone service stopped working, and the only way to reset it to make it work was to turn off the phone, turn it back on again.
Oh, that's really inconvenient. What
Yeah.
if you're traveling around?
Exactly. Don't get me wrong. From what I understand, it was the tower's fault. It wasn't the phone. It was
Okay.
the supported structures around.
But still.
Exactly. You're going to run into a lot of issues. It's going to take 1-2 years really before you start seeing 5G readily available everywhere.
Yeah.
So this phone is just bragging, saying we're
Yeah,
the first
it's-
5G phone out
It's
there.
right there.
Yeah, we're the first 5G phone. But so what? No one can really take advantage of it.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, great selling point, but
I would stick with the S10 Plus or any of the other
of
phones.
now, yeah.
Yeah, because we will have 5G phones.
Yeah.
The 5G network will be there. It'll take time, but the 5G network will be there.
yeah.
This phone is just a couple years early, and so then when 5G is
Mm.
ready for everyone, well then at that point, we're going to be looking at other models.
You're right. But I still like the phone, of course.
It's
I like
the-
how big it is.
Yeah, if you like, it's got a better battery life, and it still
Yeah.
has a great storage. So if you want it for those
Great
reasons,
screen.
if you want it for those reasons, go get it. If you want it for the 5G, don't bother. Just wait.
And they have 2 punch holes at the side again
A
with
dual
the
selfie, or
Yeah.
it's a single selfie, but a 3D depth sensor, so you'll
Okay.
get that. But
But they're pulling the whole gradient thing again to
Yeah.
cover this part.
yeah, simple annoying thing. But other than that, like, if you want a great powerful phone, get it. You want 5G, just wait.
Yeah, just
Just-
wait a little longer. Because by the time that 5G is readily available, I'm pretty sure there's a newer, better
More phones,
model. Yeah.
way more phones will have it readily available. Really.
Now we are on What's on Your Mind.
What's on your mind?
You don't want to know what's on my mind, James. Okay, so let us know in the comments below what are your thoughts on 5G. Because I'm genuinely curious. Because someone like me, I'm like, like 4G is good enough for me, to be honest. Like,
For now, 4G is good, but I do look forward to 5G. I'm not a fan of where the phones are, but I
Yeah.
look forward to faster internet because that's always a good thing with bigger and bigger files. So,
yeah, well, I guess so. So let us know in the comments below your opinion on 5G.
Is 4G good enough? Or are you excited for 5G just like me? All right, now we have buy or burn. Let's start with LastPass.
I say bye.
Buy, because first of all, it's free. Upgrade if you want, but plenty of services for free.
And now Apple Arcade. Buy or burn.
Burn.
Same. I don't have kids yet, so.
Also, I'm not into exclusives in that format. And then we have DVD or Blu-ray.
A sad.
Burn the DVDs, buy the Blu-rays. Fitbit.
I would buy, actually.
Yes, when they first came out, wasn't interested.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of cool little advancements. Buy. And then lastly, the S10 5G.
If I had the money, I would buy.
Burn.
No?
5G isn't there yet. The phone isn't needed yet. We'll get there.
Fine, whatever.
And here we have today's funny finds. Why are they running? What's going on?
So, watch.
What's happening?
Oh,
it's
so cute.
It wants to be part of the group and they're running away from it. It's so mean.
I'm guessing this is like in a college dorm or something.
Yeah,
That's what it
yeah.
looks like.
Why is he? What's going on?
Walking.
What is that? A hand?
Oh
Wow!
no!
Wow! Wow! So lame.
Was that convincing?
No,
No.
not at all.
Is
Video
that a
3.
bagel? Did she throw her phone? Oh no! She was supposed to throw the bread.
Are you sure she didn't want to throw the phone?
Based on her facial reaction, I think so.
Maybe it's time to go buy a new phone.
From Mazuma.
All right, last video. They're
Look
so
at that
strong.
creature. Oh my god.
I've seen tigers, whatever, leopards.
That's a leopard. A cheetah?
Oh, it jumped.
Whoa.
It's like Tarzan, but it'll kill you.
That's so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed those funny videos as much as we did. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and follow our social media pages as well.
That was episode 5. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. See you.
Bye.